Hey there, Todd Jones here, and I want to show you my listing at the Longford. This is unit 1201. It's for lease and for sale. And of course, the first thing you notice when you walk in is the incredible view, right? But before we do that, let me just show you, we have an entry area, and this has been designed so beautifully with recessed closet doors like this. That's the smart home system. Look at that. And coat closet, and then of course when you come in you'll notice a few really wonderful things. You've got a north facing view where you can see UCLA, Westwood area, the Getty Museum, down Wilshire, and then over here out the side you can see the ocean. So it's just perfectly positioned. Oh, I can see Catalina today, look at that. So a lot of times in the Wilshire corridor, you're either facing north or you're facing south. This one, you get the best of both worlds. As you can see, beautiful fixture here. This is the dining room. You've got a center island with the waterfall, Wolf appliances. There's even like a Wolf hood up there with a remote to run it, induction, stovetop, and then you've got these cool little switches. By the way, this is a 360 camera, so you can look up, down, behind you. This is a Sub-Zero, as I recall, yeah. Sub-Zero fridge and freezer. And before we go to the rest of the house, I want to show you this. This is fun. I love how everything's just so minimal and tucked away like that. So you have a pantry and a stackable Electrolux washer and dryer. So there's plenty of room for all of your stuff. Everything's soft close. You've got this see-through fireplace that actually runs off of like an alcohol. So it does create a flame, but it's not natural gas. This is like a den, an office area, whatever you want it to be. But there are 2 additional bedrooms. But you have this nice break here. I've seen people set this up as like a reading area, a sitting area, entertainment area. You could put partitions right here and make it an office. It's really whatever you want to do. You also have blinds on all the windows if you want to darken it. And I think they're on a remote. I'll have to check that. Over here you have a beautiful bar. Look at the cool accent lighting. And then a wine fridge. Let's go on in here. Now to your left, you have the powder room. Look at the walls, it's just beautiful. And then you have the cool mirror. How does this work? Well, I know that there's a medicine cabinet here, but I know there's a light switch to make this turn on. There we go, it's inside. And then pocket doors on this room as well. Oh, even the hinges are super cool in this place. So we'll look at the second bedroom. So second bedroom over here. You've got like built-in closets and a little desk area. And then over here, this is where you can have the ocean view. More closet there. It's wired for a TV. It is en suite, so you have your own bathroom. Lights are automatic. Again, you've got the medicine cabinet with the switch that comes on. Yep. Isn't that cool? And then more cabinet space and a shower. Even the handles, look at that, so nice. All the accents are beautiful. Now this is the primary bedroom, and just to show you, it does close off like this, and then this is a lot of fun. Let's see. Let's take the switch, and ready? Bam. Isn't that awesome? It immediately goes on and off. I could just sit here and do this all day. I'm not gonna. All right. We have a closet. This is a fun feature where you can even lock some stuff in here, maybe jewelry, more things. And don't worry if that's not enough. You've got more room here for all kinds of things, clothes, shoes, whatever you need. And then there's also more closet space here. So it's got tons of closet space. Again, this is the primary. The bed is usually right where I'm standing. You've got reading lights up above. Again, out this side you have the ocean view. And then the primary bathroom is beautiful. Oh, again, look at this. You got this really beautiful opaque sliding door. You've got a huge soaking tub, along with a wonderful shower. It's a really large shower. Look, it's enough room for two for sure. And again, we have the medicine cabinet lights with the lighting. Here we have the room with the toilet. I think it's a Toto. Yep, Toto toilet, and you got the privacy door there as well. Oh, this is also a warm towel rack. All right, the amenities in this building are great. You have a 24-hour concierge, valet parking. If you want to park yourself, that's fine. There are 2 spots side by side. Basic cable is included, and of course water. You just pay for your own electricity. And then there's a pool and a gym, a meeting area, and I think that's it. Anyway, if you'd like to take a look at this in person, just let me know. I'm happy to do a private showing, and you can come and take in this wonderful, wonderful view. Thanks for watching.